Hey guys, welcome back. Hold that thought. In this video, gotta get past the minivan drivers, you know? As well as doing a very little bit of driving between Minneapolis and Lakeville, Minnesota, I'm gonna be checking out what Mario's doing to his brand new Mercedes AMG GTS Edition 1. Let's go check it out. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, it's time to talk about wraps. Now, not wraps for my car, like I talked about in one of my recent podcasts, but wrap for Mario's car. Yes, if you remember a few months ago, my friend Mario got his 991.1S wrapped in a metallic midnight kind of blue color. Well, Mario has since sold that car, and he's now driving a 2016 Mercedes AMG GTS Edition 1. My God, that's a long name. And it's in like this sort of pearlescent kind of dark silvery color. Now, he's not gonna wrap it entirely, but some of the GTSs ship from the factory with these pretty awesome decals, which come over the top, down the front, and then they also sometimes enhance a couple of the accents. So Mario is getting that in red, tied in with his calipers and some of the other red trim on the inside of his car. So this morning I started off at downtown Minneapolis, and I'm now driving about 10 or 15 miles south to Lakeville, Minnesota, which is where Print Lab wraps are. And Dennis at Print Lab is gonna let me in and take a few shots of Mario's car while they work on it, just like they did last time. I'm pretty excited to check it out. So let's go do that.
This is Dennis with Print Lab. We got Mario's car here. We're going to be adding some striping and a lot of accents, aka horsepower.
So Mario.
Hi. It's finally done.
Finally done. It looks a lot, but really not a lot different from where you started. But like, wow. Talk us through all the things you've done to it.
So I went and did the stripes, like all the red accents.
Yeah.
So I have the red stripe, the little red on the mirrors, blacked out the headlights,
Yeah.
the rear lights.
Yeah.
They blacked out all the emblems,
Yeah.
the door handles.
Oh, you blacked out the door handle.
Yeah, just the top, because I thought it was chrome, so it was gonna be the whole thing.
Okay.
But it's actually just the top that was chrome.
Okay.
So they blacked that out, and then it was sent to AJ again.
Eurocharge, Minneapolis.
Eurocharge, Minneapolis. Woo, discounts. I was sent to AJ for H&R springs, so we lowered the car 1.2 inches in the front and the back.
And that doesn't sound like a lot, but it looks so
a
different.
Big difference.
Yeah.
There's a big difference. Especially on the driving.
Really?
Before on comfort mode, it feels a little bit like a wobbly car.
Okay.
A little bit. Now on comfort, it rides like a sport car, like a sports mode.
You see, I don't remember that. I just remember like nearly peeing my pants when I floored it.
So
yeah, sure, it was
he
bouncy.
did the H&R springs, 1.2 inches lower, and then from there I had a little noise on my window and some repairs that he got done.
Okay.
And then from there I was sent to discount tire.
Okay.
I got new wheels and tires. I got Savini black, Di Forza.
Okay.
All 20s. Car comes factory 20s on the rear, 19s on the front.
And you've gone 20 and 20.
Yeah, 8.5 on the front, 10.5 on the back. And I went 305, 30 tires, Michelin PS4s. And I don't remember the size on the front, but like I don't want to read it.
But these are summer tires, right? They're not winter tires. Okay.
No, but you made me drive here in this cold day.
Oh, really? Okay. Yeah, well, I did. Yeah. I was like, Mario, you must come over and finish this video.
So, other than that, the little accents in the inside of the car. The steering wheel, the mark for the steering wheel.
We'll take a look at that.
Yeah, and on the back, a little accent. But other than that, it's ready for the summer now,
It's
finally.
So cool. So, Print Lab Wraps in Lakeville, they did the stripe across the top, the accents on the
all the red and the black. So all
the emblems as well, though, right?
All the emblems. I found the emblems online and they installed them for me. But the front ones, we couldn't find them, so they wrap the emblems.
Right. The one right on the edge of the hood.
Yes. And
the one on the grill as well?
Yes.
Oh, so that's wrapped.
That's a wrap. This is a wrap. That's a wrap. Bottom is a wrap.
The headlights look great, this color.
Yep.
This is the smoked color.
Yep, and the smoke, I think if I remember, that's the 40.
Okay.
They have different grades for it, so they gave me a
so
bunch
good.
of options. They told me they did not specialize in tinting headlights.
Yeah.
But they were willing to try, and
yeah.
I think it looks pretty good.
Yeah, I think they did a great job. And then AJ did the lowering, and before this, AJ tuned this as well, didn't he? You told us about that last time.
Yeah, before that, Eurocharge and AJ, they did tune, downpipes, and filters.
Yeah. And you got the Black Mamba logo.
Yep.
Shout out to Kobe, right?
Yep. I thought it was cool, something simple. I like it.
Yeah.
And other than that, I just like Print Labs, how good of a job they did.
Yeah, really precise stuff.
It's just like, wow, like everything that was on my brain and how it was gonna look is way better.
Yeah.
It's more than I expected, and obviously, like, AJ never disappoints.
Good job, AJ.
Yeah, he never disappoints. He's always good. He knows a lot.
Yeah.
That helps.
Yeah, definitely.
He knows a lot.
Now, the stripe across the top and the accents on the mirrors, that's actually, it's made to look like they come from the factory, right? This type of car has that type of stripe.
Yeah, the GTR. So this is the GTS. The GTR, which is the fastest track version.
Yeah.
It comes with the stripe.
Okay.
So what I did on this one is do the stripe to make it look kind of like a race track car, like kind of like the GTR. But that red is also the same red as the calipers that come factory.
Yeah, nice.
So this is pretty much like Porsche.
Yeah.
Base is the GT. So the base Porsche is the GT on this one.
Okay.
So the brakes are not red. The calipers are not red.
Okay.
And then the GTS is like the S on Porsche.
Got you.
And then the GTR is like the GT3.
Okay.
Or GT2 RS and that stuff.
Okay.
So this is like one step.
Got you.
Under the super track one.
Wow. And so maybe more like the turbo, you think, than the S, or at least somewhere in between the two.
Well, the regular GT.
Oh, okay.
The regular GT produces 456 horsepower.
Yeah.
So, around the new S.
So talk me through your decision on the wheels. I don't think I've ever seen gold wheels before. Like what made you think of gold?
So when I bought the car, I joined the Facebook page of GTSs and stuff. And this one guy in Colorado, I think he's called Colorado. He has exactly the same color as mine, exactly the same car.
Right.
And he's all blacked out with gold wheels.
Okay.
So I sent him a message on Facebook and say, hey, dude, are your wheels really gold or is just the picture?
Yeah.
And he said, oh, no, they're gold. So we start talking. I wanted to do the wheels like his car. He wants to do the tune like me, and like we're talking.
Yeah.
And he actually just texted me yesterday saying that his friend is buying one and he's looking at gold wheels.
Oh, no way.
So I'm like, why not? I have done black wheels for 10 years.
Yeah.
I thought the car deserved something crazy.
Yeah, sure.
Like I already went crazy with everything else, like why not? And as I was telling you, like when I saw it yesterday, when I went to pick it up, I was like, oh, really? You know, like trying to, and I even talked to the manager at the shop and say, if I really don't like him, you think I can return him? And he like, we can work something out. So they always work out with me too.
Okay, that's good.
But I think I'm gonna keep him. I think
they suit the car. I personally don't think I'm cool enough to pull something like that off. But I don't know, what's Spanish for big balls or?
Cojones grandes. It's like when I grabbed the 991.
Yeah.
I wanted something unique.
Yeah.
The reason when I grabbed the car is because I wanted something unique. Somebody like, oh my God. Okay, he has the same car as everyone else, but his car is unique in some kind of form.
Yeah.
This car is unique since there's not many of them here in the cities.
Yeah.
Now with this, like some people are gonna be like, it looks like a Subaru, or like, you know, like because the wheels or whatever.
Yeah.
I really don't care. I just wanted to be that different person.
So I think a great topic for an upcoming podcast is why we personalize our cars. Because some people like just don't touch them at all, do they? They just drive them stock only. They don't want to affect their warranty. They just want the whatever comes from the factory, almost like it's impure to change something. And then there are people like me and you who are at different ends of the spectrum. But like I love just like tinkering and changing the look of my car, even though it's been pretty subtle so far.
Make it your car.
Like really mine. It's like, okay, this is a Carrera. It's nothing fancy.
Doesn't matter.
But it's mine.
Yeah.
No one else will have.
And I respect 100% those people. I respect them 100%.
Totally.
Just as much as I expect them to respect my decisions, because we have seen it like over comments and stuff. Like, oh, I really don't care.
Sure.
I respect them a lot. If they want to keep, I don't know how they do it.
Yeah.
I don't know, dude. I bought a $40,000 SUV, the Durango.
Yeah.
The first thing I did, like, boom, go put the stripes, lift it. I wanted to be like, oh, that's Mario's car.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like that. I just wanted to feel like I spent a lot of time in the car. So
yeah. But like this is truly Mario's car now, and there's a limited run of these already. So there were 300 in the US, you said?
325, I think.
Ish. Mm-hmm. This will be the only one that looks like this, unless somebody now sees your car and decides to copy it.
Well, my new friend in Colorado is the same, but without the stripe.
Right.
But I just sent him the pictures, and he's like, "Ooh, that stripe." But it's funny, like you saw when we took it to print labs, like how long it took me and the guys to decide where to put the stripe and how to do it.
That's right.
Remember? Like it's not like here, just put a stripe on it. No. We're trying to.
It has to line up exactly from front to back,
it's
and
just crazy.
You don't want to go over the grill. Yeah, I remember. That's really cool.
And I remember that they did the little stripe in the wrong side.
Yeah, that's right.
Then we had to put it on the other side.
Yeah.
It's just little things, like not just here, do whatever. No, like a specific. Sometimes I don't think I have ever done a car that is too much.
Yeah.
I think this is the craziest so far.
This is definitely at the most modified end of the spectrum.
Because I think if these wheels were black, it would still be pretty cool.
Oh yeah.
Right now it's like the next level of like cool / WTF.
Yeah. Well, and the other thing is that it just, even before you did any of the mods, it's in such good condition, right? It's like just straight out of the factory. Mm-hmm. Mate, congratulations.
Thank you.
Absolutely brilliant. I can't wait to see this on the road.
Thank you.
All right, guys, this has been Mario's second wrap video of the year, right?
Partially wrap.
Partially wrap of the year. Thanks for checking in, and we'll catch you in the next video. Mate, awesome.